So this is the second part of the caring for dogs portion of the course. We talked about hair and eyes and ears, and so now it's time to talk about teeth and nails. I'll be honest with you, I never brush my dog's teeth, but it is recommended. I should do it, I just don't. But you really want to clean them once or twice a week to remove any tartar and plaque, and that actually really does build up and can cause some dental disease. When you're cleaning, you can use a small toothbrush. They make doggy toothbrushes, but you could also just use a soft bristled one that you can get from like Walmart or something. Or you can just use gauze, kind of like on your finger. There are doggy toothpastes out there that you can use with that, but you could also just use salt water and baking soda solution. It's pretty easy, cheap. You want to clean from the gum line down to the tips of the teeth. The good news, though, is that if you're like me and you don't clean your dog's teeth like you should, anything hard that your dogs eat will help maintain their healthy teeth. If you feed them hard dog biscuits, if you give them hard kibble versus wet food, rawhide chews, synthetic bones, you know, the little like greeny bones that are shaped like toothbrushes that'll help your dog, you know, the dental chews or whatever. All of that maintains healthy teeth, and it does help remove tartar. So if you're bad like me and you don't brush your dog's teeth, don't worry, it's not the end of the world. All right, and then nails. So dogs that are kept primarily inside do need their nails trimmed with clippers that don't crush the nail when they're cutting them. You want to really avoid cutting into the nail bed. Very similar to our fingernails. If we cut our fingernails too short, it is painful and will bleed. Same thing with dogs. Black nails are unfortunately harder to clip because the nail bed's impossible to see through the side. But you can, if you start clipping and you're looking at the underside of the nail, you can see it a little bit, but it's hard to see, so it's hard to know how far to cut. The nail bed's pretty easy to see on white nails or clear nails. And I have a picture down here that shows you that pink part is the quick, and that is where the blood is. And then that white part is just nail, and that is the part that you can clip. So if your dog has white nails, they're really easy to see, and it's really easy to just clip them and not have a problem. But black nails can be a bit of an issue. Styptic powder is easy to stop bleeding. So they sell a product called Quick Stop, and that's what I use, and it's a styptic powder, and it actually does two things. It will clot, so it helps stop bleeding, and it also has a painkiller in it, so it kind of takes any pain away if you do happen to hit the quick. You want to make sure that you're checking the dew claw, because that is that claw that's like partway up, it's above the foot. You want to make sure that you're checking that because it never hits the ground, so it doesn't get a chance to wear down like the other nails. You also don't want to use sharp, pointy scissors to trim nails. That could end up bad. Especially if the dog moves unexpectedly, you could actually chop off an entire nail, which would be really bad. You don't want to do that. As always, let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or accusations of any kind. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching.